guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm gonna be talking about this hairstyle, which is by Janet Collection. This is the butterfly locks. I have in two different colors. Okay, I have the 1B, and I forgot what color this was. I think this is 1B with T30. If I could find it, I'm gonna link it because I only have the empty packaging of this hair. My main problem with this hair is that it tangles because of the style of this hair versus like when I use my regular singleless twist. This hair tangles a lot, and that's just basically with any hair that looks like this that's made to look distressed. It's gonna distress itself, girl. It's gonna tangle. It's gonna be catching the freaking your earrings. It's gonna catch your nail if your nail's not clipped right. It's gonna catch that. It catches everything. Okay, so let me just show you like that. I mean, if that doesn't bother you, then you're fine. Okay, it just bothers me sometimes. That's it. Next thing about this hair that I did not like was the loop. Okay, I will show a short clip of me looping this hair with the crochet needle. I don't understand, and I only had this problem with the colored ones, and I think it was I'm not sure if it was the 14 or the 12 inch, but I only had this problem with the color one. So I'm gonna see if I can get it close enough to the camera so you can see. So you see how that loop is, how the hair is not all together. So when I would crochet, which you have to pull this down because the loop is really small. So when I would crochet it and pull this piece through, like some of the hair will be stuck out of the loop. Like, I don't know how I can explain it in the video. I hope I'll be able to show you more clear what I'm talking about, but I only had this problem with the colored one. It was kind of mild, but I feel like it was a little irritating. What I ended up doing is letting it stay on the this little metal thing and just stuck my crochet needle through it while I was on there and then pulled it off, because if you don't, you'll miss some of the little extra strings like the flyaways, and it'll be stuck out of your crochet. It'll be stuck out of the loop when you crochet it. That was the third thing about this hair, is that it unraveled. Okay, I only had this problem with just two plaits in my entire head. What I mean by unravel, girl, where the plait at? She around here somewhere. Where's she at? There it is. Sis unraveled. Okay, she unraveled. I mean, like I said, it's not really that big of a deal because it was only two out of my entire head. But the fact that, here's the kicker, I haven't had this hair in longer than a week. So I'm pretty sure I had it in what? Today's Wednesday? 4 days. 4 days. The ending of this hair, let me see. I think it's more so, where is it? It's not that it unravels, but some pieces of the hair you can slide up and down. So like the hair kind of extends because it unravels throughout the body part. Not to the point where it sticks out like that, but to the point like where the knot slides down. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So this bottom part is not supposed to, I don't think it was supposed to be this thick, but when I pulled like my hair tie on it, it made it super thick. That's also not really a problem. It's okay. The good thing about this hair is that the older it gets, the better it looks. So what butterfly locks, you do want it to be distressed looking, and that's what this style gives you. It looks more distressed, and that's cute. I loved it, the color combination I did. I brought, like I said, two of each color. So I brought two of the 1B, and I brought two of the 1B T30. I'm gonna try to link it. And I used the 14 and the 12 inch. I use all, like, so okay, let me show you. So this is how the pack comes. The pack comes with 14, 12, 10. For 4 packs, I used all 14, all 12. I think per pack it was like 8 twists, if I'm not mistaken. Do I have one I have not used? Okay, this is how the whole little roll looks, and this is one whole bundle. Okay, this is how the one bundle looks. This is the 12 inch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each bundle has 10. I used all of the 14s and all of the 12, and I used 4 14s and 4 of the 12. I used probably 6 of the 10 inches, and it's all the way at the back. Let me see if I can turn around. You see it's short in the middle. I did not realize it was that short in the middle. I didn't calculate or even think about how it would fall at the back. I just cared about how the front looked, honey. I was like, girl, I'm popping in the front. It's cool. You don't need to be at the back. Just look at the front. That's all you need to see. Let me show you. So I don't know, and my hair is in like a half up, half down type part, but it's still really short in the middle. That's just because the way I laid it. I'm pretty sure if you have more common sense, you'll lay it better than what I did. But overall, I do like the hair. The only thing is, another thing, because this is like the fit thing. This hair was $17.99 per pack. Now, I did watch a couple other people videos. This other girl, she did only use 3 packs. She used 2 whole packs and a little bit of the 3rd pack. That's if you use the 10-inch bundle too. Like I said, I did not. So I have 3 whole 10-inch bundles and a little bit of the 4th one. So if you use 2 whole packs like this, you probably will only need a little bit of the 3rd one. But I didn't really care for the 10-inch, so that's why I brought 4. That's why it was a little bit more expensive. And I need to be able to wear this hair for like at least 3 weeks if I'm going to be paying like $80 for it. Okay. That is it. I do really like it. I would recommend it if those things I mentioned to you in the beginning of the video is not a if it's not gonna stop you. Like if it's just like, oh no, I can't deal with that. Okay, can't deal with the tangling. If it's okay with you. I really like it. It's really cute, but I don't think I will probably be able to get more than 2 week wear out of this because it do tangle, but the more it gets older, the better it looks. Okay, so it's up to you. I like it. It's cute. But that is basically it for this video. That's all I had to say. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, you just leave it down in the comment section. I will respond to you. Stop it. Yes. So you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all in my next video, okay?